Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install a specific version of a Python module using pip. So the default way how you can install packages pip install, and then you just write package name here, right? And then you hit enter. So this will install whatever package is the latest available for installation. But if you want to install a specific version, let's say if you want to install an older version of whatever package you are using, so let's install a specific version of requests. So the command is pip install, and then let's write requests. And to install a specific version of request, what you do is you enter double equals to and write 2.0.1 or whatever version you want and hit enter. So if you already have requests installed, what will happen is if the provided version is greater than the already installed version, it will be updated, and if the provided version is lower than the already installed version, your request module will be downgraded. So as you can see, I already had 2.31.0 installed, so it is now uninstalling 2.3.10, and after it is successfully uninstalled, it will install 2.0.1. This is how you can install a specific version of a Python module, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Check out our brand new awesome coding merch. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, we've got stickers for laptops or notebooks, cups, bags, and a lot more. Get it today from the link below.